The Assam Legislative Assembly election of 2016 was held in two phases, on 4 and 11 April 2016, to elect members of the 126 constituencies in Assam, a state in northeastern India. The overall voter turnout was 84.72%, which set a new record for Assam. The turnout was an increase from the 2011 assembly election figure of 75%. The counting of votes and results declaration was completed on 19 May 2016. The election brought a change of power as the Indian National Congress, which had formed the government under Taran Gogoi since 2001, lost its majority to the Bharatiya Janata Party led by Sarbananda Sonowal. The prior Assam Assembly ended on 5 June 2016. The full bench of the Election Commission headed by Syed Nasim Ahmed Zaidi visited Assam on 21 December 2015. Voter-verified paper audit trails were introduced in 10 constituencies in Assam Assembly polls. These included the 4 assembly constituencies in Kamrup Metro District, Dispur, Jalakbari, Guwahati East and Guwahati West. 250 polling stations were made model polling stations. An update to the National Register of Citizens of India was to be completed by 1 January 2016, monitored by the Supreme Court of India. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.